Hello. Brought Charlie out into the snow. It's cold as hell out here. It's snowing, and I've got Charlie with me. It is cold as could be. And as you can see, I've got Charlie with me. And it is quite cold out here. But I am walking in the snow. Got about an inch of snow on the ground here in downtown Bethesda, Maryland. Charlie, you okay? You okay, Charlie? All right. Charlie's hanging in with us. Well, I think I'm going to get inside here soon, so I don't have a frozen bird on hand. But, as you can see, it is quite snowy. And there you go. Starbucks is getting a delivery. You can see the snow on the ground. And as you can see, so surprise, I'm back. All right, so I think I'm going to end it here because again, I repeat myself for the 100th time. It is cold as hell out here, and I've got no jacket on, and I'm in my shorts and shirt. So, okie dokie. Let's see. Alrighty then. As I'm breathing heavy.